Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we've had a parcel arrive from Born Pretty. Should we have a little look, see what they've sent? Ooh, they're all gels today. This one is a rubber base gel. This one is a cat magnetic gel. Cat magnetic gel. Cat magnetic gel. And a Silky White Series gel polish. Oh yeah, I remember what colour this was. Going to be perfect for Christmas, this one. So, like I normally do, I'm just going to give them a swatch today. We're going to take a little look at the colours. And then later on this week, we'll do a little design using some of them. While I get these unpacked and unwrapped, just want to let you know, guys, I have got a discount code for Born Pretty, which is GG10. I'll leave the link to their website pinned in my comments. If there's anything that I show you today that you're interested in buying, you just got to click the link and pop my discount code in at checkout. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. I really like this Born Pretty packaging now. It's got a really nice kind of professional feel to it. Especially these ones, they have got a really top quality feel to them. You got your ingredients on the back. Look at them bottles. Big, massive 15ml bottles. Ooh, that looks a nice colour. Right, so I think we're going to start off by swatching the Silky White series first. So the number of this one is CG025. You've got your ingredients on the back. Nice big 10ml bottles. I like that you've got the colour on the front there as well. Ooh, this looks nice and creamy and opaque. I like it. Green is a little bit of a funny colour. It's one of them that if it's too pigmented, it can wrinkle in the lamp. So it's usually very, very jellified. But this looks nice and creamy. That's after one very thin coat. Look at that. That's a proper Christmas green, that, isn't it? Perfect. Give that a cure. That's what it's like after two thin coats. Full coverage. Perfect. Now we're going to check out this rubber base gel. Colour number 13. Beautiful colour. I'm really enjoying these rubber bases at the minute. You guys have probably already noticed. I like using them for like base colours and stuff. I think they give like the effect of like a builder gel. When you're doing a gel polish design, I think they're great. Look at that colour, it's pretty, isn't it? So after one coat, it's a really nice milky colour. Show you that through there, look. Really nice milky colour. And then we'll see what it's like after two coats as well, shall we? And then that is what it looks like after two coats. Yeah, I like that. That is right up my street. I would probably do two coats of it. It depends what kind of effect I'm going for, but in general, I would probably go for two coats. I like that. Beautiful. Beautiful colour. Give that a cure. Right, so now we're on to these three cat eyes. I'm excited for these. So we've got 2, 3, 4. So with these cat eyes, I'm going to show you them over a clear, and then we're going to take a look at them over a black as well. As you guys know, these usually look so much better over a black. But I do like to see them over a clear as well. So this first one is colour number 2. These are stunning. Woohoo! Look at that, just as a colour on its own. That is so pretty. That's going to look well smart over a black. I can see it now. Let's just get the magnet on it as well, shall we? Have a little look at it with the magnet. Oh, look how that's bringing that colour out. Gorgeous. Love that. It's got like a kind of, it's a silver, but it's got like a purple shift to it. Oh, I really like that. We'll do my normal swirly pattern, shall we? Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Give that a quick cure. Right, let's get this swatched over a black, shall we? Because I am dying to see what this is like over a black. Oh, my days. Oh, my days. I was not expecting that at all. That's beautiful, just as a colour on its own. Oh, wow. Without even doing anything with the magnet. Can you see that? Oh, let's give it a little bit of a jazz up. These are something else, guys. These are really something else. If you've not got these, then you need them badly. Can you see how it's leaving that purple behind? It's pushing the cat eye into the middle and it's leaving that purple shift behind. Oh. These are something special, these are. Not seen anything like these. Pop that in the lamp quickly. Next one is number 3. Look at that. Look at that blue. Look at that blue it leaves behind. Oh my days. Get that in the lamp. Quick! Because we need to see this over a black now, don't we? Who's ready to see this? Again, I would wear that just as a colour on its own. Stunning colour. Oh, wow. These are amazing, aren't they? I think it's mad how it... Oh, wow. I think it's mad how it shifts the silver and leaves that blue. That is crazy. Crazy cool. The last one now, guys. So this one is number 4. I think I might have to get all of these, you know. Literally just placed an order at Born Pretty as well. I wish I knew how nice these were, because I would have definitely got the others. Oh, look at that. Wow. I think these look really cool over a white. You can put them over any colour. Whatever colour you put them over, you're going to get a different effect every time. That's what I like about these kind of gels. I think they would look quite smart over a white, you know. Ooh, look at that blue. I like that. I like it a lot. Who's ready for this one now over a black? I know I am. Look at that.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us.
I'm not sure if this is my favourite or the purple one. I'm a little bit torn. I think probably this one, you know. It's gorgeous. Love that blue colour. I think this is probably my favourite. It leaves like a metallic colour in the background. I like it. I really, really like these. I would say these are probably some of my favourite gels that I own. They're definitely my most favourite cat eyes that I own, without a doubt. They are beautiful. And that is all the swatches, guys. They've all been top coated, so you can have a proper good look at them now. I am loving these. I love this turquoisey one. I think that's probably my favourite. The purple is a very close call though. That rubber base gel, beautiful colour, right up my street. The green, not really my kind of colour, but it's going to be great with Christmas coming up, autumn coming up. But yeah, these cat eyes, guys, if you've not already got these, you need them in your collection. They are a must-have. I'm definitely getting the rest of the colours. And you know, it's not very often I'm bothered about getting the whole collection of something. But these are just in a league of their own. So, like I said, I'm going to leave the links to all of these, what I've showed you today, in my description box below. I'll also leave a link to the Born Pretty website pinned in my comments, along with my discount code, which you'll see is in the top right hand corner of the screen, GG10. I'm definitely going to have a little think of what design I want to do with using some of these. But for now, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.